we are asked to find the value of x in the Surdic equation root of 3x plus root of 5x equals to 6x. If you encounter this question in exam, approach it like this. Recall, if you have root of a multiplied by b, this can be written as square root of a multiplied by the square root of b. This is one of the properties. Okay, that means if I have root of 3x, this can be written as square root of 3 multiplied by square root of x. Also, square root of 5x can be written as square root of 5 multiplied by square root of x. Are you following? So let us replace these two values by this and this respectively. So the equation becomes the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of x plus the square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of x equals to 6x. Are you following? Okay. Here, x is common, right? Because we are going to have root 3 multiplied by root x plus root 5 multiplied by root x equals to 6x. Because x is common to the left-hand side, root x is common. So I'm going to have the square root of x, square root of 3 plus the square root of 5 equals to 6x. Are you following? Then the next step is that I'm going to take the square of both sides of the equation. So I'm going to have this square and this squared, right? Here I'm going to have square root of x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by root of 3 plus root of 5 raised to the power of 2 equals to 6x raised to the power of 2. Okay. At this point, root of x will be x, right? And also, let us expand root of 3 plus root of 5 raised to the power of 2. Root 3 times root 3, that is what? 3. Root 5 times root 5, that is what? 5. 3 plus 5. Root 15 will be 2. So I'm going to have plus 2 root 15. This will be equals to 6x raised to the power of 2. That is 36x raised to the power of 2. Okay, so this will be x multiplied by 5 plus 3, that is 8, plus 2 root 15 equals to 36x raised to the power of 2. Okay, the equation can be written as 36x squared minus x multiplied by 8 plus 2 root 15, right? This will be equals to what? 0. Okay, factorize out x. I'm going to have x multiplied by 36x minus 8 plus 2 root 15. This will be equals to 0, right? We're going to have x equals to 0 or 36x minus 8 plus 2 root 15 equals to 0. Okay, so we've obtained the first value of x, which is what? X equals to 0. Now, let us find the value of x in 36x minus 8 plus 2 root 15 equals to 0. Let us rewrite it. 36x will be equals to 8 plus 2 root 15, right? Taking this to the other side of the equation. Okay, divide by 36. This over 36. X will be equals to 8 plus 2 root 15 all over 36, right? It can still be simplified further, right? So I'm going to have, permit me to erase this. X is equals to 2, 4 plus root 15 all over 36. So here I'm going to have x is equals to 4 plus root of 15 all over 36 divided by 2, that is what? 18. So this is the final answer. If you have any question as touching what we discussed here, let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, okay? See you in the next class.